All right, good morning, everyone. Louis Porcelain, ManoverMarket.com, and today is November 10th, and this is the E-mini morning call. Sorry, my voice is a little raspy, and there was no update on Friday. I left for South Dakota by noon, but this is Friday's action. We went down, made a low here around 9:30. Talk about a low of basically 2020 half, which was Friday's low. Then we rallied up to 2030 half or 2030.75, sat all day, and then there was a little spike down in the afternoon on some healthcare news. The healthcare stocks got hit based on what was going on in the Supreme Court and the rulings and so on. So basically, that's what happened on Friday. Then we went rallied back and closed up around 28.29. So here's the overnight action now. We have a high of all-time high of 20.33 half. We've got a Globex high right here of basically 20.2975. We got the top of value at 20.2875. We have 2028 as the point of control. Also, it is the top of the IB range for London. And then we have the bottom of value sitting at 2023.75. And the point of control, I said, that which is most trade volume, was at 2028. We have our 5-minute pivot sitting here at 2025 half. That went to a buy at, let's look at this bar here, took it out. I'm sorry, went to a buy right here at 4:25 a.m. And it's kind of been sitting here. All right. You know, the buyers are in control. If you read what Pat said this morning, value keeps moving up. This is the bottom, 221 and a quarter. Here is the bottom of the IB range for London. And we have the Globex low down here at basically 221 even, 221 even. The bull bear zone will be at 2020, 2020. And then these are, when you see the red lines and the red lines, I mean the green lines and the red lines, they're old day highs and so on. So barring some unexpected bad news in the economy besides all the other stuff that's going on, there are no reports today. The market seems to be in an uptrend and appears to going to keep going up. I hope I don't sound like an idiot to say that. Here's the daily profile without overnight, showing that the value went up again. So here's the value area low compared to the low on Thursday. Here is the mode, okay, and here's the high. So we got a higher low, a higher mode, and a higher high. So from that point of view, the market's still trending up. Here's the overnight action. I like to split this right here from the longest line of numbers, showing that this is where actually our overnight mode is 2027 versus 2028. And then we got our all-time high over here. There's numerous places where this market can retrace to, but apparently the powers to be are going to keep this thing up here, and we'll go 2050 before the end of the year. So I will give you an update midday. So I'll also update the 5-minute pivot as it go up and down. But right now at 2025 half, and remember you need a close below that to be negative to turn into a sell. Also, let me look at this. We're going to have some resistance at 2031 because we have the 15-minute pivot sitting there, and we're going to have resistance at 2033 because we have the 30-minute pivot sitting there. So 2031 right here, which is also R1, and 2033, which is basically the high, all-time high. All right, we got Louis Borsellino, ManomaMarket.com. Good luck, happy trading, and hope this helps you. Bye.